Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss about the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is a new topic for you, but it is not at all new because you have read about this in class 8. In class 8 you had a chapter Introduction to Graph. In Introduction to Graph, this is just like same as the coordinate geometry, but in that one you read about only positive signs. Okay. First of all, must know about we must know some of the topics related to the coordinate geometry. The first is Cartesian plane. So what is a Cartesian plane? I think all of you know very well about the plane. The plane is a flat surface which can be extended in all sides, but is a Cartesian plane. If you draw two mutually perpendicular lines, as I have drawn here for you, that will be explained afterwards. If you draw two mutually perpendicular lines, I have drawn this one and this x dash and y dash, the two mutually perpendicular lines. So this plane is called Cartesian plane because this plane is divided into four equal parts or four parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. That we'll discuss later on what are these called. Then we come to the x and y axis. What is x axis and what is y axis? If you draw two mutually perpendicular lines, okay, one will be horizontal and another will be vertical. The horizontal line that you can see x dash and x. This x dash is called x axis, and this vertical line y dash, y and y dash, this y dash is called y axis. So this is horizontal is x axis and vertical is y axis. X axis and y axis. Then origin, because both are perpendicular to each other, that means they are intersecting and they will intersect at O. This O is called the origin. This O is called origin of this plane. Then we come to know about the x coordinates and y coordinates. X coordinate or abscissa or y coordinates or ordinate, that you have read in class 8 also. X coordinate, y coordinate and abscissa and ordinate. What is x coordinate? The x coordinate is a point. X coordinate is the distance of the point on this Cartesian plane from y axis. Okay, and y coordinate is the distance of the point from in a Cartesian plane. It is the distance from x axis, y coordinate. Okay, x coordinate is the distance of the point from y axis and y coordinate is the distance of the point from x axis. Okay, so that will be explained later on. Now you see ordered pair. Ordered pair means whenever you plot a point in a plane, okay, it can be plotted very easily in a very simple way. Just you put a point and you give a name A, B, C, D, any letter, that point is plotted. But when you want to plot the point in the Cartesian plane, you must need the x coordinate and y coordinate, and they are always in an ordered pair, that is x and y. The x coordinate will come first always and the y coordinate will come last, okay, or second. Then quadrant. What is quadrant? This by this perpendicular lines, this plane is divided into four parts, four equal, they may be equal, they may not be equal. Okay, then four parts, the first, second, third, fourth. So they are called quadrant. The meaning of quadrant is the fourth part of any figure. Okay, then this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So in this quadrant, this x and y coordinate will be positive and negative respectively. Okay, so about this, where it will be positive, where it will be negative, we'll discuss later on. Okay, thank you.